Mountaintop Pro Shop, and then DM me a picture of that. There's a lantern fly. Sorry, buddy. What's up, everybody? It's Frankie from Mountaintop Pro Shop, and I have another pro tip for you. This week's pro tip is how to get your fishing line onto your spinning reel. So there's going to be a few things that'll help you do this. So first off would be the line in the spinning reel, obviously. Also a pair of scissors will help you a lot. And also, I'm using some really old line, but if you have a new one and it has that sticker that holds the line down, that'll help you out tremendously when trying to get it to actually, when you actually go to spool the line onto the reel. So you want to take your line, and the first thing you want to do is put it down all the eyes of the fishing rod. So I'm going to do that now. So this just popped up in my head. Are you guys dealing with any lantern flies around where you live? Because they're here in PA, and I'll tell you what, they are a nuisance. I'll probably have at least one or two fly on me during this video. Alright, so once you have the line tied, or not tied, but through all the eyes, you want to place it away from you, facing counterclockwise. So when you reel, you want it to spin counterclockwise. It just helps get it on the reel. But first you have to tie the line actually onto the reel, and a simple overhand knot will work just fine with this. So I'm going to tie that now. Make sure it stays on the reel. I just had mine slip off, but yeah, so then you just tighten that knot around the spool, and this is when the tape helps a lot. But first you can cut off this tag end. And pretty much what you would do with the tape is just stick it so the line sticks to the reel better. It doesn't spin around as you're trying to spool it. So that'll help. I'm going to do without, because I've done this plenty of times. But then you just want to put your bail down and bring it over to there. And you want to keep it tight. And then you just want to start slowly just spinning your reel, getting that line on there. You can go a little faster than I'm going, but yeah, keep the line tight. That's really important. And also, when choosing a line, make sure you have line that's actually for your reel. You can find that information normally somewhere over on the spool, actually. And for this, I'm using 10-pound line, and this says, actually, I'm using 12-pound line for this, so yeah. So I'm just going to spool it up. I'll also give you guys a little trick on how to make this line not want to jump off your reel then, because I know that's a problem sometimes with the line. The nylon, the monofilament, the fluorocarbon, they all have sort of like a memory. So I'll give you a little trick on how to prevent that from happening a little bit more. All you need is some like lukewarm water. It doesn't need to be too hot, because you'll be dunking your whole spool with the line on into this water, and you don't want the metal to rust or anything like that. Yes, if you guys could go over and check out my giveaway, all you have to do to enter is tag 3 friends on my one Instagram post, subscribe to our YouTube, Mountaintop Pro Shop, and then DM me a picture of that. There's a lantern fly. Sorry, buddy. But yeah, so if you could do that, that'd be awesome. And now, once you have your line all the way on, you're going to want to reel it in all the way through all the eyes, and then your tape will help you out again here. If you can find another piece, that'd be awesome. If you didn't need to use it earlier, you can use that piece. But you kind of just want to bring the line and make it tight on the spool and tape it down. And once you're finished that, all you want to do is you want to take your drag and loosen it all the way. Be careful, some reels are built differently. You don't want to lose any pieces when doing this. But all you need to do is loosen it. Almost there. Hello.
Can you see how almost new parents are?
Yeah, we're good. I'm making a video right now showing everyone how to put fishing line on a... Grandma stopped over for a second to say hi. Then you want to take this off, and you would just essentially take this and your lukewarm cup of water and dunk this for maybe 10 minutes, and then you put it right back on your reel. Tie this on, screw this on, I should say. And then take the line back up through the eyes. Stand up for this. And now you're ready to tie on your favorite bait and go fishing. But one more thing to add before I conclude this video. This is the reel that I'm giving away. It's an Okuma Stratus 6. I've used it a few times, but it's still in decent condition. It functions like new. So yeah, to enter, I gave a little bit of information on how to do that earlier in the video. I'll leave a link to all the social media and stuff down in the bio, as well as, you know, what I'm using what line I'm using, what rod I'm using, the reel I have right now, although I did just tell you that. But with all that being said, have a great day and go catch some fish.